So we just recorded us playing a game. What was that game called? Getting Over It, which likely will be posted before this video is posted. So after you're done watching this one, go watch us play Getting Over It. It's quite the hoot. But my gooser's making me dinner.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day. So technically he was really busy this week, so he didn't get out to get me my Valentine's Day stuff yet. And he was going to go today. And I was like, honestly, I got snacks and we haven't even like put a dent in them, which is good. We shouldn't have. So we just don't really need any more. So I said, hey, cook me dinner for my Valentine's Day present. And what we are having for dinner, hot ham and cheese sandwiches. They call them potato puffs because we get the Aldi brand, but they're tater tots. French fries, which I think is a mistake because we can never cook the French fries right. But maybe the hubs will get it.
You will.
And then, so this is stuff for the sandwiches. So he's making the sandwiches. I'm just along for the ride. Isn't he cute? The roast beef. I'm not a huge fan of roast beef, if I'm honest. But it's okay. It's all right. Also Aldi brand. Actually, is it? It's trying to look like Hillshire Farms, but it's not. It's Aldi brand. Not Aldi brand, but it's the stuff that Aldi has. Which is not terrible. I used to hate the meat that came in these containers because I thought it was such a waste of plastic. But they're honestly decent leftover containers, which we don't really need, but we could donate them to Goodwill or something. I mean, somebody could use that. Or we could recycle it. Laying out the meat. Do you guys see that spoon ring on Tyler's finger? That's my ring. That's mine.
Well, kind of.
Well, it's yours now. It used to be mine. I did wear it. He says that I never wore it. I did wear it. Oh, by the way, Golden Girl. I did wear it. I just stopped wearing it for a little while. Because what will happen is I'll wear a ring and I'll take it off somewhere and then I'll forget that I take it off. Aside from my wedding ring. I'll take it off and I don't remember. Then he picked it up and he put it on and then that was that. He wore it from then on. So, fun fact. This picture is from the first show I ever directed.
You could do a pop-up video. You remember a pop-up video?
Yeah, on VH1.
Yeah. You could be like while you're filming yourself there, you could like, boop, and then have a little graphic that's...
This is from the first show I ever directed.
Like on
Pretty
pop-up
clever.
video.
This is also something that I painted. That smells really good.
It does. We're doing halfsies.
Yeah, I don't know how this is all going to fit in the oven. Honestly, now that I think about it, I know I said I don't like roast beef, but I love Arby's sandwiches, so it's pretty much an Arby's sandwich. So, although we don't have Arby's sauce, I don't think. I'll have to check our stash of sauce.
If you're a grown-up, by the way, if you're a grown-up and you don't have a stash of sauce...
You're living your life
You're
wrong.
not, yeah.
You're wrong. You're wrong.
You either
And this
grew
is coming from a guy who doesn't like condiments.
You either grew up like way too rich or like just dumb because...
Yeah, you should always have a stock of sauce. Like from restaurants and stuff. What is... I wonder if I could look it up and see if I could make it. Like, what's Arby's sauce? Oh, you don't need sauce for these sandwiches. You don't need looking up sauce. We're not looking up sauce because these have a mustard sauce on it, and it's so good. Hello, it's so good. Don't you think, Boo?
True.
Okay, but you said if I was looking up sauce, what sauce would it be?
If you were looking up a sauce, the sauce you should look up is how to make cane sauce.
No. For this?
What cheese do you want?
What cheese do we have? Sharp cheddar?
We have mild cheddar and we have Munster. I want to use some of both.
I think I'd like the Munster best.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's already open. Did you make a sandwich with this week?
Yes.
Okay, that's less troubling. Don't work at a cheese factory, folks. That's also a really awful job.
Cheese. Cheese.
Is taking B-roll of cheese.
Yeah.
All right.
I gotta tell you, the lighting in our kitchen's pretty good.
Yeah, it's not bad. Are you a film director?
No. Okay, we'll come back when he's doing the taps, because that's the yummy part. I know I said I'd be back later, but look at that madness. He double cheesed it. Is that plastic? No, that's roast beef. In search of the mustard. Fingers crossed. Do we have enough? Aggressive.
Plenty.
Plenty. Okay, this is the delicious part.
Tell you guys, country crock with calcium. I don't know if you want country crock, but get your butter with calcium. None of us drink enough milk.
Mostly because I'm lactose intolerant.
You need that calcium.
You lather it with butter.
Lots. Don't be afraid.
Lots of butter. There we go. Butter, butter, butter,
Some
butter,
people
butter.
butter the bottoms. Don't do that.
Yeah, butter the top. Always butter the top.
Well, I mean, some people do both.
I want to point out, I don't know what that sticker's from. I don't know how it got
It's
there.
always been there.
Since we moved in?
Yeah.
Oh, well, it's there forever. I have cleaned the stove. I know it doesn't look like it, but I have cleaned the stove and I can't get it off.
You could use steel wool to get it off.
Yeah, but then I could scratch the top of the, I don't know. I would be trying harder to take it off of there if we were moving.
We're not moving.
We're not moving.
It's a meme.
We are eventually moving. We are not going to live here forever.
Maybe.
We are not living here forever. Get over it. So you butter the top. Cake that Elijah had on Oscar night.
There's no more cake.
Yeah, well, there better not be. It's a week past the Oscars. If you didn't watch my Oscar video,
Hollywood, go watch it.
watch it.
I don't know if it's very Hollywood.
It's not very Hollywood. It's very bad. But watch it.
Watch it anyway.
Watch it.
Or I'm coming to your house. No. Go watch the video.
I hate when I do that.
Anyway,
When I put my finger in front of the camera.
well, don't do that.
We're still buttering. Don't worry, you didn't miss much.
Process. Alexa! Set a timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes, starting now.
She did it.
If you'd like to listen to a free audiobook, just ask. What's free from Audible?
She always has weird tips
Thank you for your extra tonight.
that I'll never do.
Your extra whack.
Extra quack.
I'm gonna have to start doing that in my daily life. If I feel
Instead
that-
of cursing, we'll say quack.
Instead of cursing, whack. What the whack?
Now you put the spicy brown. Check out that spicy brown.
Just normal spicy brown. There's nothing crazy about it.
Except that it's spicy brown. Oh, my mother would use,
Onion powder.
she would use butter, regular mustard, onion powder, and garlic powder, and mix it all together as one spread, and then spread it on there. We do it a little bit differently in this household, and I think it's a little bit better, in my opinion. Just as good. If I'm honest, equally the same. Mom makes a really good sandwich.
She's not a bad sandwich maker.
And she doesn't, she also puts actual onion bits in
I'm
it.
not here to be down on your mom's sandwich making ability. We wouldn't be making this meal if it weren't for her.
Yeah, because we make this meal because of her. But she uses real onions, and because Tyler doesn't like onions, she'll make Tyler special sandwiches
With no
without
onions.
onions. Because
Shout outs.
Mama Form rules. I don't pay attention because I don't mind the onions. Garlic powder. Here we go. Also Aldi
Oh,
brand.
I didn't spread one of them.
Oh no! But look at that. He does not mess around.
Dirty another knife.
Oh, sure. Dirty another knife.
Put it in the dishwasher.
I'm the dishwasher. I'm the dishwasher. Rude. Spread that quack out.
And there ain't nothing wrong with Parmesan cheese.
Brand new Parmesan cheese. You're probably going to have to take the top off. Take the top off. Parmesan. I got complaints that I did not show my tacos after I'd made the tacos. You know who you are, friends. So I will show it to you after these are done. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Ooh, look at them. Ooh. They're looking delicious. I'm excited. Get your bottom. Get your bottoms. And your tops. Now, I'm weird and I cut mine in half, but it's because that's how I like to eat them. Dinner time.